Honorable Minister for Finance.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, let me start from outside and say that this medical scheme is a good project. It needs to be encouraged. It has sorted out most of the problems that employees have.
Saying clearly that I oppose this report. And Mr. Speaker, it's very simple. You cannot have a report that speaks so highly about a scheme, and then its conclusion is, then sack all the people who came up with this brilliant scheme. It just doesn't add up. It just tells you that there was a problem in the beginning of this investigation in the committee, where there was television cameras, and there was a name, Anyang' Nyong'o, who is not very liked, by the way. Anyang' Nyong'o and Kimunya suffer the same fate. They're just on opposite sides, not liked. And when you hear Kimunya on one side and Anyang' Nyong'o on the other, there will always be an agenda. That is, to me, the point that got the committee confused. Because when you read the committee report, of course now they get it. Of course they get this good scheme is good. Of course what Honorable Damas, and you know, anybody who knows Damas Otieno knows that he's so careful, he's boring. He overplans until he's boring. To the point where to make a mistake with Damas Otieno is almost unheard of. And then when you think about Anyang' Nyong'o, who was not even in the country most of this time, and we know that the minister did something that many ministers in this country will not do, we stand up and salute him all the time because he stood up and spoke about his health, something that has changed the way healthcare is being looked at in this country, especially the issue of cancer. And you want to bring this hula baloo in the media, and I've been in select committees. Believe me, media excites us. But sometimes when we go back and sit in our committees, we must be brave enough to come and say, you know what, this scheme was actually good. This scheme was good. First of all, this committee is split. For me, any committee report that comes here, when a committee is split, is not a report even worth looking at. Because that means already there is disagreement amongst the committee. But secondly, since we are all in agreement that this scheme is not only excellent, but it is like free primary education. Today we have free primary education. We have no teachers. Have we killed free primary education? We have not, because we know it is good for this country. So we are struggling to ensure that there are more teachers, there is more money given. It's exactly what we should be doing with this scheme. And so for me, I am not even worried about the committee. Even the chair, with all due respect, this chair is actually one of those serious chairs of committees. Why he is so passionate is because he has been left with a committee report that has names, and he doesn't know what to do with those names. And that's why we are going to help him in this house by throwing out his whole report here categorically and say it on the floor of this house that if this scheme succeeds, and it will, because I'm sure it will, just like free primary education has succeeded, many of the issues that we are looking at in terms of resource allocation in this country will be a thing of the past, because when you have a healthy family, you have a productive country. I just want to say, that in this NHIF board, actually, first of all, I know we can speak now because we can speak about people, because this committee board have names. I am appalled at all. And how Kenyans can continue listening to this man shocks me. Because the day that this issue was brought up politically, because I believe it started politically, on Labor Day, we were in Naivasha Committee of Devolution. We went for breakfast, came out, Atwoli was still speaking. We went for, I don't know what came out, at a point we asked, what is Atwoli saying? Because he had been speaking for 3 hours. And for 3 hours, he had been threatening Anyang' Nyong'o, and I don't know what, and talking about NHIF. He did not even talk about workers' concerns. He was only concerned about one thing, that workers were going to strike. What am I saying? I am saying the scheme that people have not even heard. You know, I personally had asked Anyang' Nyong'o to resign. People don't even know that. I told him, you are not going to embarrass us. You are the secretary general of the party. What is this name? Then I decided, because I have backbenchers here think, we are not just people who follow the wind. I went to NHIF and I asked, I want to be explained for this scheme. And I met a young man there who heads a risk assessment division called Chacha.